viewers. It's Tuesday, July 30 at exactly 10:30 p.m. local time here in Asmara. Welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. Coming up are the major headlines for today. Members of the 37th round of National Service departed to Sawa. ERi-Equip provides training to 29 technicians. U.S. national debt tops $35 trillion. And Venezuela asks 7 Latin American countries to withdraw their diplomatic staff. On your domestic reports, members of the 37th round of National Service have departed to Sawa to pursue their 12th grade education at the Warsaikalo High School and fulfill their National Service duties. The first batch of students, consisting of 4,612 students from 15 high schools in the region, included 59% female students. The students were seen off from their respective schools by concerned government institutions and a number of people. The students expressed their determination to achieve exemplary results in both their education and national service. The remaining 4,389 students, including 53% females, will depart to Sawa on Saturday, August 3, from 7 high schools in the region. Students from the regions of Northern and Southern Red Sea, Gashbarka and Anseba have already arrived in Sawa. ERi-Equip has completed a 2-year training program for 29 technicians. The training was conducted in accordance with the curriculum designed by the Caterpillar Missionary Company. Mr. Ashabrar Aya, General Manager of the Institute, indicated that since its establishment, the Institute has provided training 18 times to its members and 3 times to stakeholders. He also mentioned that the Institute offers both theoretical and practical training to operators and machinery and generator technicians from various institutions. A representative of the trainees, while commending the training opportunity provided, called for future training sessions to meet higher standards and be more developed than the first phase. Mr. Maasho Gabratinsae, head of the Quality Control for Technical and Vocational Education and Training at the Ministry of Education, urged the trainees to apply their training practically in the workplace and contribute to the development of their institution. On your last local report, the winner of the green jersey at the 2024 Tour de France, Eritrean professional cyclist Binyam Girmay, secured first place at the cycling race in the Netherlands on the 29th July. In the one-stage race known as Classic Roosendaal, Binyam Girmay emerged victorious against the renowned international cyclists. Binyam Girmay, who is also participating in the Paris Olympics, placed 29th in the individual time trial held on 27 July, and will compete in the road race on 3 August, which will cover 272 kilometers. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international news after the short break. Welcome back. The U.S. has reached yet another dubious milestone, with its national debt surpassing the mark of $39 trillion, the U.S. House Budget Committee announced on Monday. The head of the committee, Republican Jody Arrington, branded the development an alarming milestone, urging more fiscal and spending responsibility to fix the ballooning national debt growth. Arrington said this in a statement, expressing hopes that the Republican Party will be able to somehow alleviate the situation if Donald Trump wins the November election. The U.S. national debt has skyrocketed in recent years under the leadership of President Joe Biden and his predecessor, President Trump, who had repeatedly pledged to reduce it during his 2016 campaign. On today's final report, Venezuela on Monday called on the governments of Argentina, Chile, Costa Rica, Peru, Panama, the Dominican Republic and Uruguay to withdraw their diplomatic staff accredited in the country. The measure, announced in an official statement released by the Venezuelan Foreign Ministry, also calls for withdrawing Venezuelan diplomatic staff accredited in those nations. Venezuela has accused the governments of those 7 countries of interference in its internal affairs, especially the presidential elections held Sunday that saw President Nicolas Maduro re-elected to a third 6-year term. According to the statement, those countries are subordinated to Washington and committed to ideological postulates of international fascism. You're still watching ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Members of the 37th round of national service depart to Sawa. ERi-Equip provides training to 29 technicians. U.S. national debt tops $35 trillion. And Venezuela asks 7 Latin American countries to withdraw their diplomatic staff. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching and have a good one.